Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Chestermere, Alberta, a vibrant and picturesque city located just east of Calgary. Nestled around the beautiful Chestermere Lake, this community offers a perfect blend of small-town charm and easy access to urban amenities. Chestermere was originally established as a summer village in 1977, primarily as a recreational area for nearby Calgary residents. The city's development has been shaped by its stunning natural surroundings and its proximity to Calgary, making it an attractive place for families and individuals seeking a balanced lifestyle. The name Chestermere is derived from the lake around which the city is built. The lake itself was named by a settler named Matthew Cochrane, who named it after his hometown of Chester in England, combined with the word mere, an Old English term for a lake or pond. This connection to its natural feature gives Chestermere a unique identity and a sense of tranquility. Chestermere is situated in the Bow River Valley, surrounded by the rolling landscapes of Alberta. The city is known for its beautiful lake, which is a focal point for recreational activities such as boating, fishing, and swimming. The area's natural beauty is complemented by well-maintained parks and pathways, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're visiting or considering making it your home, Chestermere offers a welcoming and scenic environment that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Chestermere, Alberta.